patient, welcome to my creation. Working with passion, I'm another dimension. I'm in your dreams because I am your obsession.
Robbs, costumes.
This is my passion, welcome to my creation. Working with passion, I'm another dimension.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on I believe it's an extended cab Silverado, all the way from Greely, Colorado, coming down to Rob's Customs to get a double sunroof install. We're going to be doing a black headliner, blacking out his plastics, and then a primer on top of the roof. So we'll be doing that. So he's on his way. He's almost here. I think it was like about an hour. Last time I talked to him, he was about an hour away. He sent me a message, an hour and a half. But yeah, once he shows up, we're gonna start with the process. We'll take a look at the ride, and then we'll start the process of taking all the headliner and all that out, and start prepping for our brackets, centering everything up, and you guys know the drill. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're gonna start the process. Double sunroofs from Greely, Colorado. I'm gonna start by removing all the headliner, getting it ready for them brackets. Brother's just showing up to help out again. Shouts out to him. Alright, guys, La Manzanita, she's done, she's out, getting loaded up, getting ready to head back to Greely, Colorado. Again, shouts out to the homie Ramon. Came all the way from Greely, Colorado. Get double sunroofs, Rob's Customs. Follow him on IG, La Manzanita _10. Follow him up on his build. A lot more coming. Rob's Customs. Alright, guys, that's gonna be it. Truck just left. Again, once a shout out to Ramon with La Manzanita. Follow him on IG on his build. That's gonna be it. We got more trucks coming with crew cab Silverados. They're here from Albuquerque, in for some double sunroofs. So we're just going down the list. All right, guys. See you on the next one. Peace.